Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. We continue our class. So we are towards the end of the class session for medical instrumentation. So I promise you this is the group project. The group project consists of few selected topics. I have selected the topics and is listed as a bioinstrumentation device. So what you have to do, you have to select your group. Since we have 12 students in our class, so divide them into maybe 3 per group, and then the following will be the topic. Select the topic from the bioinstrumentation device listed below. Discuss the system design, okay, function. Okay, let's see if I can select rectangular line. Okay, what I want you to do is discuss the system design. Okay, and then the first thing means that you have to understand how the system is developed, the instrumentation or the system, the materials or the sensors or the orientation part in the hardware, and then how the system is used as a function or operation. So how they work, you need to know A to Z how they work, how they put them inside the human body, or how they insert them and how they attach them to the human body. And then also you need to know and understand the usage procedure. So how do they use the procedure for particular person. Last but not least, you need to also know what are the related diseases for each of the system that you have chosen. Okay, so for example, let's take the first one, pacemaker. Okay, pacemaker. So pacemaker is used for what we call as a device inside the human body, as a therapeutic or as a monitoring device, as a diagnostic device. So normally they use pacemaker inside the human body is to revive the signal of the heart. So what are the disease that causes the heart problem, which requires the pacemaker to be implanted inside the human body? So I hope you can understand. So that's the way you have to align your assignment according to these points that I mentioned. So you have to understand the disease and also the function or the operation of the system, right? Second is echocardiography. So why people use echocardiography? So this is also to do with the heart. So you have to explore the system, which has to do with the sound of the human heart. Okay, and then balloon angioplasty. This is a procedure of insertion of what we call material or a device inside the human body, right? It's called balloon angioplasty. Okay, balloon angioplasty, and number 4 is vascular stent. Vascular stent. I'm sure from the name you know already is something to do with the vascular human body, vascular system, and then you placing a stent inside the human body. So what is this device, and what kind of disease is treated by using this device inside the human body? That's number 4. Okay, pay attention. Your submission should consist the following items, right? Number 1 is full report, maximum 5 pages. 5 pages explaining about all the things that I mentioned earlier. 15 pages, no more than 15 pages. PowerPoint slide presentation. So you have your presentation slide, how you organize the presentation information. Number 3 is graphical poster. So ni sama macam poster lah, poster presentation. So if you do a poster, what will be the summarized information? So jangan buat dalam bentuk landscape. So no landscape, portrait orientation. Okay, portrait orientation. So this one is to show your idea in the graphical arrangement, your creativity. So we will see how detailed is your information. At the same time, it is not boring to read the poster. Video presentation, maximum 15 minutes. So this one is up to you who will do the presentation, but it is you are given maximum 15 minutes. If you can finish before 15 minutes also is fine. Video presentation should be clear, sound is clear, and then a good background or with the proper environment. Video presentation, sometimes they embed the slides, the information, that's also is okay, and also your members presenting the work. Right, last but not least, additional video or information that related to your title. Sometimes people also send some videos of the technical part of the system, short video. Of course, don't send videos that is more than 10 minutes. It will be too long and it's difficult to access as well sometimes. So use a short video or any other related information. Now for this assignment, the projects, so I'm giving you due in 3 weeks time. I think it should be more than enough, 3 weeks time, since you will be also doing some other project submissions and so on. So let's aim to complete this in 3 weeks time. So hopefully this information will be enough and useful for you to complete your group project assignment. So I will need you to verify and confirm with me which title or topic that you select from this project. So hopefully I'll get this feedback from you. So thank you very much and have a good day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.